Addition and its parts. What is addition? Addition is a way to combine or put two or more numbers together. For example, we have here 2 blue circles plus 3 green circles is equal to 5 blue and green circles. If we put it on a number, we are going to have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. What are the parts of addition? For example, we have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 and 3 are called the addends. Addends are the two numbers added together. And 5 is the sum or total and is called for the result or final answer.